What's up, guys? How's it going? Welcome to the recap. Today is the 15th. So let's go ahead and go over the SPY real quick. And let me do full screen and then open up SPY. So obviously SPY right now, it's kind of dumped. It was whippy around this opening range right here for the first 5 minutes, and then kind of broke support and came back down. Now it seems like it's most likely may do a cup and handle pattern, where it'll be in this area and then come back down like this and then maybe take off from there if it does form that cup and handle pattern. So let's see how that goes. Let's look at the daily chart, right? Just like I mentioned yesterday, you may see a little green day or a small red day, and so far it looks like we are seeing a small green day. So let's see how it turns out today. But today for me was a red day, but I want to show you these two stocks where right idea, just wrong timing, I guess. So one of them was VUZI, and I was waiting for this breakout right here, right? So for this 50s breakout, first it happened, I got in and it faked me out. And then I got in again over here. There was a seller and it got broken down. But then it didn't get broken down completely 100%, about like maybe 95% of it got broken down and it faked me out. So I got out literally right here. From there, it took off from 550 all the way to 568. So, and look what's happening, right? So this is going to happen. It's going to happen from time to time. And the other one was SLDB. I mean, this stock faked me out so many times like no other. So the spot that I was watching was the 40 area, 640s, right? So when it came back up, first, I thought it was going to go here, right? Kind of like this, and it take off, but it didn't. So I got stopped out for, a small size loss. And then again, I got in again over here, got stopped out, loss again. Over here, stopped out, loss again. After that, you know what? I am almost approaching 1%. So I was at that point, I was maybe about 0.08% of my account size in terms of daily loss, right? As you guys know, 1% is my max. That's when I shut things down. But if I'm at 0.8%, I mean, I'm not too far from 1%. So I just shut it down, shut down my broker. And the next thing you know, a few minutes later, it takes off from there, right? So, and I was expecting to get in again around 640s, and then I want to sell around 656 and 653. So that would have been a good size move. So this definitely faked me a few times, and that's where, I took my L's. So today I'm actually down $289, which again, is about 0.08% of my account. So, and this is going to happen. I can sit here and complain about, oh man, I could have gotten again, but what if same thing happened? What if it just dropped from there, right? Since it tried so many times, you just never know. So if you know that you tried getting a few times and you just can't get the read of the stock, then maybe the stock is not for you, right? It's just not working out. So at that point, it's best just take the loss and step back. And for me, again, this loss is manageable. It's 0.08% of my account. So it's not going to change my lifestyle. This is part of my plan, right? Every day I look, my daily loss is set from 0.5% to 1% max. When I hit 0.5%, I step away. And then I try to take only, good patterns after that, like A++ patterns. And sometimes they don't work out. And to me, this was pretty much A+ pattern, but just wrong timing. So, and now the stock, it may break higher highs, but I'm not going to touch it. I'm going to respect my daily loss, and I'm going to respect the system that I have in place. So yeah, for me, again, $289 is nothing bad, right? So, and again, I talk about most of these points like daily loss and having a system in my video I put out the other day. So if you haven't watched it, definitely go ahead and watch it. I'm going to put the video up here if I can get this to load. So yeah, my internet lately, it's been on and off, but okay, seems like it's gonna load now. So let me pull that up real quick. Let me go to my channel, and this is the one that you want to watch. This one right here. This is the one that you want to watch, right? So if you click on it, and you're going to see that day traders lose money every day, right? So, and in my case, I lost 289 bucks. But again, I'm still respecting my daily loss. So these are the things I talk about, like system, rules, like main points that's going to help you stay in the game and manage your losses. So I do suggest you watch it. Other than that, hopefully you guys are green, and I'm really hoping this week we get some good momentum, because lately it's kind of been not dead, but just not like smooth volume. So that's it from me. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and comment. Again, most of you guys that are watching are not subscribing, so make sure you subscribe. It helps me out, it helps out the channel, and it tells me you guys want more of these videos. All right, that's it. I'm out. Peace.